how the heck did I become a day trader, and what does it take in order to start trading? So y'all know I'm gonna be real about this situation. If you do not have heart, discipline, and emotional control, then this sport is not for you. So many people are like, how fast do you make money? How fast do you do this? How fast do you do that? And I want to tell you, you're going to lose money before you actually start making money. And you might lose a lot of money, more than you ever lost in your life. But I promise you, if you stay down, you stay committed, the journey can be something of beauty. So let me tell you, I became a day trader simply because I joined a mentorship group for my credit business. Those of you guys who are looking to get your credit fixed because you need money to start trading, listen, I'll put the link below and you guys can reach out to me for a free consultation and I'll help you through all that. All right, shameless promo. Sorry. All right, back to the thing. So I got a mentor for my business, and in there, it said, do you want to learn how to day trade? And for me, I take advantage of all things that I need to take advantage of, especially if my money was involved. So I decided to take the course. I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. It was so hard, I quit. Like, it seemed like something of a foreign language. I was so unsure. And that is what, it goes against everything I stand for because nothing is too hard for me. But this just seemed like I wasn't going to make it. And I went to Aspen and there was a trader there. And he asked me, hey, Kay, I seen you were in the Discord. Do you still trade? And I said, no. I said, it's too hard. And he looked at me. And those of you guys who are from a Black household, you know when somebody give you that, you bugging. Right? That phrase, you know you need to go revisit that situation. So that's what I did. I went and I was like, I called all my friends. I was like, listen, I'm gonna learn how to trade. If you guys want to do it, let's learn. So that's what we did. We started learning every day. Every day we got on Zoom for hours. Like, I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. All I thought about was trading. Every day, every loss hurt me. There's moments I couldn't get out of bed. Like, it was a long journey. And along the way, everybody stopped trading. All 6 people that were originally a part of my trading group, all stopped because it's a gruesome process. I don't care who you talk to, how long they've been in trading. Everybody I know goes through the psychological journey of trading. It wasn't until year 3 I started to kind of get it, right? And now that I'm in like year 3.5, 4, I'm starting to be profitable. But the problems that I have are when I'm not the best in my own life, then I'm not the best in trading. When I'm producing and being the best in my real life, then my trading is phenomenal. So that's why I tell you guys, if you're not ready to go through all of that and have discipline and charisma, and if you don't have like all those things, like, you need to have strength. You need to have a strong mind to be a day trader or to be a trader, because this sport is not for people who have an emotional attachment to money. And that was something that took me 3.5 years to figure out. In my journey today, I no longer look and view money the same way I did when I first started trading. So that's how I became a day trader. I didn't want to do it because it was really hard. And God sent somebody to say, no, you need to go revisit that. And I have not put it down since. I'm not living off of trading, but I have taken many payouts that have paid for many things in my life. So listen, I think everybody should learn the skill of day trading. I think everybody should learn how to trade something because it's a part of what makes America wealthy. It's what makes America run. It's the heartbeat of our world. And you start to understand the economy in a way you never understand it. You can't even look at life the same. So yeah, I'm a day trader who is not living off of day trading 100%. I very much still have a business. I'm very much still an entrepreneur, 9 to 5 in my business. And when I say 9 to 5, that's like 9 to freaking 11. You know the journey of entrepreneurship. But I'm getting there. I'm nowhere where I was, and I've seen thousands of dollars in the stock market. So I think if you're watching this video, that means that there's something in you that God put in your heart. And I believe that if God allowed you to think it, and your brain can think it, your brain wouldn't allow you to think anything. Your brain wouldn't allow you to think anything it can't achieve. So if God put it in your heart, your mind put it in perspective for you, you can absolutely do it. That was the calling. So just start. Good luck. And if I can be any service of you, right? I'm not the best day trader in the world, but I know something. Reach out to me. You know I looked out. All right, y'all. This was cute. I'll see you on another episode.